In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly freeze panes in Excel. I'm going to show you how to freeze the top row, the first column, as well as simultaneously freezing a row and a column of your choice. If you do find this video useful, please consider giving it a like, as it really does help support the channel. So let's jump into Excel and get started. As you can see, I have some example data already open. I have data for 52 individuals. The first column has the individual's name, and there are 13 different data measures for each of these individuals. The problem I have is because my sheet is fairly big, as I scroll down I no longer know what each of my columns represent. This is where the freeze panes option can help me out. If I wanted to freeze the top pane of my sheet, I can go to View and then select the Freeze Panes button. There are a few options here, but I'll firstly select the option to freeze the top row. Now, when I scroll down on my sheet, you can see that the labels entered into my first row remain at the top of the sheet. To unfreeze the pane, simply select the Freeze Panes button again, and then select Unfreeze Panes. Now, the sheet has been resorted back to its original state. Instead of freezing the top row, you may want to freeze the first column instead. To do this, as before, go to View, Freeze Panes, and then select the Freeze First Column option. Now when I scroll horizontally on my sheet, the values in my first column remain in view. I'll quickly remove the freeze pane again. Lastly, what if you want to freeze a certain row and a certain column at the same time? For example, let's say I want to keep the top row frozen, and I also want to freeze the first column. What you have to do is select on your sheet where you want to freeze the two panes. Whichever cell you select, Excel will freeze the column to the left of it and the row above it. So if I select here, Excel will freeze this row and this column. Or if I select here, Excel will freeze this row and this column instead. So if I want to freeze my first row and my first column, I will click this cell here. Then I will go to View, Freeze Panes, and then I will select the Freeze Panes option. Now when I scroll down, I can still see the labels in my top row, and if I scroll horizontally, I can also still see the values in my first column. And there we have it. Now you know how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, please leave a like. It really does help support the channel. If you've got a question, pop it down in the comments below. Also, consider subscribing for more weekly tutorials.